10 Habits of Remarkably Charismatic People. Some people instantly make us feel important. Some people instantly make us feel special. Some people light up a room just by walking in. We can't always define it, but some people have it, they're naturally charismatic. Fortunately, we all can be charismatic, because being that isn't about our level of success or our presentation skills or how we dress or the image we project, it's about what we do. Here are the 10 habits of remarkably charismatic people. 1. They listen way more than they talk. 2. They don't practice selective hearing. 3. They put their stuff away. 4. They give before they receive, and often they never receive. 5. They don't act self-important. 6. Because they realize other people are more important. 7. They shine the spotlight on others. 8. They choose their words wisely. 9. They don't discuss the failings of others. 10. But they readily admit their failings. If you know other important habits related to charisma, be sure to let us know in the comments below.